Well, we've made it to Thursday afternoon, and I can't complain about this. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures warming up. Calm weather, yeah, not too bad for the end of a work week here. And to start off that Easter weekend, it is only going to get warmer. 75 right now in Logan, 70 here in Charleston. We're looking at another increase of about 5 degrees across the board before it's all said and done. We're going to top off near 75 here in Charleston, closer to the upper 70s further south. In Athens, you're going to reach very close to that 70-degree mark today as well. So as far as temperatures go, this is right where we should be for this time of year. And it's only getting warmer here as we look towards the south. Now the north there's still cool. Some cool air still filtering in parts of Wisconsin, Michigan, and New York. But really what we have to look forward to, all this heat from the south and from the west. Notice that 75 there in St. Louis, it just slides right across. And that's why we're going to be warming up fairly quickly. Now we do have a little system to the north here. And really what all this is going to do that we need to worry about is push some cloud cover in. And notice that it's starting to build up there as it makes its way into West Virginia, the northern panhandle there, seeing some of that now. So that's going to help cap some of that warming for the day. And it's going to be those high clouds is really all we're going to see from this system. Now, all this rain, it's really going to evaporate before it reaches us. And by the time we make it into Saturday, that's when we're actually going to worry about our next chance for some significant showers. So here's what we got on that Futurecast. Notice just a nice clear out here. The clouds do slide in, and again, upper level cloud cover for most of the afternoon, but really you still have plenty of sunshine out there as well. So you can certainly get a suntan if you don't have the sunscreen on. I know I'm going to need it. If I walk outside, I burn very quickly, even when the sun isn't that strong. So something to keep in mind all the way through the start of this weekend, especially because notice Friday morning, you walk out the door, we do have some light cloud cover to start things off, but it fades out and we are left with plenty of sunshine towards that afternoon and early evening. So for Good Friday, not too bad as far as the cloud cover goes. You can certainly get outside, enjoy some of the sunshine as well. And then the temperatures are going to start off even warmer with some of that cloud cover hanging around. So I started with the jacket this morning. You definitely won't need it as you walk out the door for tomorrow. We're going to be much closer to the 50s as we wake up, and then even warmer closing out on the 80s. Now Saturday, notice here on the Futurecast, we bring in some cloud cover here, and then some rain starts to develop as well. This is a warm front sliding across. So the northern counties have a good shot of showers developing later in the afternoon, and we'll see about a 20 to 30% chance for a stray shower in the valleys as well. But they'll move through fairly quickly. We won't have to deal with that big widespread rain. And really what we're worried about here, again, temperature-wise for tomorrow, notice we start in the 50s. By noon, though, yeah, closer to 75. So we're going to be even warmer for tomorrow. The clouds are going to filter out at that point, and we're going to top off very close to 80 degrees to end that work week on Good Friday. And now when we cool off, notice Saturday morning when you walk out the door, if you want to get anything done early on, even by 8 o'clock, pushing into the 60s, and it's going to be topping off near 80 degrees once again there, even with that sunshine disappearing and the rain moving in. So that's good there. In fact, let's get into that rain forecast a little bit here. Notice Saturday morning, we keep these greens here, but then right around 6 o'clock, notice we fast forward there, maybe 1/10 of an inch. I think even that is too much. It's going to be more scattered, and any of that rain we see, it's not going to be widespread. It's going to move out fairly quickly. So Saturday, you can certainly be outside. Don't have to worry too much about these showers. Just have that umbrella handy for a few minutes. You won't need it very long. It's going to be Sunday afternoon. Notice 2 o'clock. That's when this rain is going to start to move in from the north. In fact, let's get into that Easter forecast. Here we go. The Sunday forecast. Waking up, we're starting close to 60, and then we're going to start to see temperatures warm up very quickly once again, and the thunderstorms move in right around 3, 4 o'clock. And that's really our worrying time. So if you need to get those Easter egg hunts in early, you should be fine by if you're doing right around lunchtime, 1 o'clock. But then after that, that's when things are going to get a little bit more dicey. The rest of next week, yeah, notice overnight on Sunday, we bring in some strong showers. We have 2 more dry days in that forecast. In the middle of next week, that's when we have the next best chance for some more storms.